did her just say yes, 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 yes. She is also a strong woman. Yeah. Like a tapang katao. By the way, Ate Telma, as a friend, she treats you as a friend and family too. So, are we? Sinasabi ko dito. We're family. So, Ate Inday, this is the really my message to you. Now that you are married, we're the same na. Really? It's a tie.
We're the same, it's a tie.
Yeah. From now on, we will be hearing stories and comments about the husbands.
Husbands?
Ano tawag doon yung may kama with his husbands?
Husbands.
Single lang yun ah. Husband lang yun ah. Well, that's fun. No matter what happens at the time, Charlie's Angels is always here with Charlie's Angels are here for you. We fight together and
Mga
on
anak
behalf
pala ni
of
Gabriel.
Charlie's Angels, we love you and we care for you. Good thing you found someone who will love you truly and God-fearing. You're the man, Jan. Anyways, more wondering present, more talking, more chikahan, more chats, more banting, more jokes, and many, many more to mention. We love you, Ate Inday. And Jan, of course, too. We love you, Jan. And of course, it's even if you don't understand me, even if we don't understand each other, you're Englishman and I'm Tagalog, you know it's hard to speak English, but you have to understand me. My nose is bleeding. I had high grades before in my English class, but I don't know what happened. Please take good care of our friend Ate Inday. She
Maybe
is
you don't understand
wonderful.
her.
And
Because
there's nothing
I
like
don't
her.
understand her also.
We leave her heart to you. Take care. She waited for you a long time for
49.
49
49 years.
49 years. And it takes so long. If that's happened to me,
Magiging
maybe I
viral
will give
to.
up. We hope the long wait is worth it.
Yes.
Love her as you love yourself. Best wishes to both of you. God bless your marriage and happy birthday in advance, Ate Inday. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day pa.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yan po.
May dalawa po silang pusa. Yun daw yung baby nila. Oh, you understand my English?
That's awesome.
Oh yeah, that's true. You don't fight with her. Oh yes. Mabait na raw siya. Hindi ko alam pang English yung tinay.
Oh, yung mic mo? Be, yung mic, be. Be, yung mic.
Give your mic.
Your mic.
Ang galing mo
I'm
mag-English.
so bleeding the nose. I'm so the
Mag...
Live yan, Pastor.
Yeah.
I can. Akala ko sasabihin niya, I believe, I can live, I can love, I can reach
Reach
the
the
heavens
sky.
above.
Oh.
I can write what is wrong.
Tapos to dream is the impossible dream.
Okay, so with that,
Hello.
hey guys, are you fit? Did you
Ito po
finish
ang
your
viral
homework
woman.
yet? Please tell me.
Sisikat na yan.
So who else who wants to be a billionaire? Okay, who wants to have a very what? Mabira talaga.
Ayan po, narinig niyo po ang speech.
Sino ba
Napakagandang
gusto
speech
sabihin
po.
ng kayo na Ate Inday?
Yan po si Ate Dang. Walang
And
kapantay
bago
na
tayo
speech.
mag-close, si
Viral
Kuya,
po yan.
magsasalita muna. You guys gonna be, you need to have a speech, thank you, and so on and so forth. So this is your chance.
Thank you so much po. This wonderful time.